Hi guys, in this video tutorial I want us to get us ready for next week's lessons that we're going to be teaching asynchronous. So I want to start off with our asynchronous lessons from last year. And if you can see what we did, we kind of like what we have now. We separated our dates, separated our lessons by day, and then we had reading, writing, and math. But each of these links are links to an actual activity, an actual Seesaw activity. So for example, if I clicked on this link, it'll take me straight to the Seesaw activity. Now, the Seesaw activity has a couple of things. So here we have the example. Here we have the student template. And of course, these are the directions. And then the audio recording of the directions of what the students are supposed to do. Now, in order to make this activity usable for yourself, you have to save the activity. Once you're here, you'll see that your library opens up. You can either assign it from here, or you can copy and edit it to make it your own. So I just wanted to show you what it looks like for the kids. When they open this up, they'll be able to see the video of the example for that day. So when they see the template, there's an example. I recorded an example for what they're supposed to do.
Think. What was the order of the life cycle? The order of the life cycle was life cycle, butterfly, pupa, or chrysalis.
So last year we had some difficulty figuring out how to get the kids to do the activity. In retrospect, what we should have done was duplicated the slide. So one slide would have the directions, and the next slide they would be able to show their work. So these are just the different activities that they had to do with that story that I recorded. So you could do a video like that, but not necessarily. You can also record the directions straight onto Seesaw. So let me give you an example from Chloe. So here's her math lesson. Remember, you got to save it in order to make it your own. But if we go ahead and look at, and remember, it goes straight into your library. When we look at Chloe's activity, we can look at her example.
Hi everybody. Today we're going to do a little quick lesson on tally marks and using and counting your tally marks to add, so that way you can do your part and then count them up to get your whole. So here the first problem is 5 plus 2 equals. So what you're going to do is you're going to draw 5 tally marks under the 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you're going to cross the 5th one. So that's 5. And then I'm going to draw 2 tally marks on the 2. 1, 2. And then I'm going to count all the tally marks to find my answer. 1, 2, 3.
So she gave the directions there, and the template, the kid is supposed to do exactly what she showed them on their own. So I just show you 2 examples of how to make your Seesaw activities. And let's say you made it your own, you edited it. What I need you to do next is to share the activity. Go down to share activity, then grab the teacher link, copy that teacher link. Once that teacher link is copied, then you go up here, and this is where you would put your link. You would highlight the area that you want it. Like if it has a link already, you just unlink it, but you highlight the area you want it, and then you click on the link button, and then you copy and paste, or you paste, apply, and there's a link. So then when you open it up, it should take you directly to the Seesaw lesson. So our board is ready, made up for next week. So it's again separated in the different sections: week 5, September 14th through the 18th, and Monday through Friday. So just put in the lessons, the links to the lessons, to the Seesaw lessons. When I click on this link, it takes me to a document. And what we need is the actual Seesaw link, so that all we have to do when we build out our modules, we just grab the Seesaw link, assign it to our class, and then grab the assign link and bring that link into our canvas and build out our modules. I hope this video has been helpful. Let's make it a great week. Thank you. If you found this content